Feeling locked out of your Vagaro account? Can't book that much-needed massage or check your salon appointments because you've drawn a blank on your password? You're not alone. It happens to the best of us. In this video, we're going to walk you through the super simple steps to reset your Vagaro password, whether you're on your computer or using the Vagaro app on your phone. We've all been there, that moment of panic when you go to log into an important account and your usual go-to passwords just aren't cutting it. Maybe you haven't logged into Vagaro in a while, or perhaps you've been on a password-changing spree for security reasons and now you can't remember which one stuck. Whatever the reason, gaining access back to your Vagaro account is crucial for managing your appointments, services, and even your business if you're a professional using the platform. Vagaro is an incredible tool that streamlines everything from booking appointments for clients to managing staff schedules and processing payments for businesses. For clients, it offers a seamless way to discover new services, book appointments with their favorite stylists, trainers, or therapists, and even pay online. For business owners, it's a comprehensive solution that helps manage every aspect of their operations, from client management to marketing. Being locked out can disrupt your day, prevent you from booking that crucial appointment, or even hinder your business operations. But don't worry, resetting your password is a quick and painless process, and we're here to guide you through every click and tap. We'll start with resetting your password using a web browser, which is generally the most common method. Then we'll cover how to do it directly from the Vagaro app on your mobile device. Regardless of how you access Vagaro, the process is designed to be straightforward and secure, ensuring only you can regain access to your account. Resetting your Vagaro password on a web browser. Let's dive into the steps for resetting your Vagaro password when you're using a computer or tablet and accessing Vagaro through a web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. First, you'll need to navigate to the Vagaro login page. You can do this by simply typing Vagaro into your search engine and clicking on the official link, or by directly typing www.vagaro.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the Vagaro homepage, look for the login button. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. This will take you to the login screen. Now, this is where the magic happens. Below the fields where you'd normally enter your username and password, you'll see a link that says, "Forgot password?" or something similar. This is your golden ticket. Click on this link. Vagaro will then ask you to enter the email address associated with your Vagaro account. It's crucial that you enter the exact email address you used when you first signed up for Vagaro. Double-check for any typos. Once you've entered your email, click on the Send Email or Reset Password button. Now, here's an important part. Check your email inbox. Vagaro will send you an email with a link to reset your password. If you don't see it immediately, don't panic. It might take a few minutes to arrive. Also, be sure to check your spam or junk mail folder, as sometimes these automated emails can end up there. The email will typically come from Vagaro support or a similar sender. Once you find the email, open it up. Inside, you'll see a unique link. This link is time-sensitive, so it's best to click on it as soon as you can. Clicking on this link will take you to a secure page where you can create a new password. When creating your new password, make sure it's strong and secure. Aim for a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information like your birthday or pet's name. Vagaro will usually have a password strength indicator to help you out. You'll need to enter your new password twice to confirm it. After you've entered and confirmed your new password, click on the Reset Password or Save Password button. And just like that, you've successfully reset your Vagaro password. You can now go back to the Vagaro login page and log in with your newly created password. Resetting your Vagaro password on the mobile app. Now, let's talk about resetting your password if you primarily use the Vagaro app on your smartphone or tablet. The process is very similar to the web browser method, but with a slightly different visual interface. First, open the Vagaro app on your mobile device. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from your device's App Store, Google Play Store for Android, or Apple App Store for iOS. On the app's login screen, you'll see the fields for your email and password. Just like on the web version, look for the Forgot Password link. It's usually located just below the password input field. Tap on it. The app will then prompt you to enter the email address associated with your Vagaro account. Type it in carefully, making sure there are no typos. After entering your email, tap the Send Email or Reset Password button. Just like with the web version, you'll need to check your email inbox for the password reset link. Remember to check your spam or junk folders if you don't see it right away. Once you open the email and tap on the provided link, it will typically open a secure page within your device's web browser where you can create your new password. Again, choose a strong, unique password that combines different character types. Enter your new password twice to confirm. Finally, tap the Reset Password or Save Password button to finalize the process. You can now return to the Vagaro app and log in with your shiny new password. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.